Hello. In this video we will show you what's new in version 3.1 of the PDF index generator software. This new edition is dedicated to our Mac users. The old program interface was not a Mac-friendly one, so we've been working hard to provide another Mac interface theme for the program, to make it more native. Feature number 1. The new program interface theme. Here is how the program interface now appears. You will see that now it has Mac-looking buttons, lists, selection boxes, scroll bars. You will also notice the blue button in every window, which is the default behavior of Mac operating system. Feature number 2. The flat theme. In addition to this new interface theme, we have also added another theme, called the flat theme, which you can access and use from the themes menu. The flat theme looks very nice too. It is also available in the Windows and Linux editions of the program. Feature number 3. The new file selection dialog. When you click any Browse button on Mac, you will see a new file selection dialog, that is now a native one, as you can see here. Feature number 4. Mac enhancements. Many other enhancements have been added to the Mac interface. The PDF file suggestion field in step 1 now works much better. We have fixed tables, lists, and trees hovering and stripes, to be working just fine. The program was previously showing 2 icons here on Map Dock, but now it shows 1 icon only. Feature number 5. Using your own TTF font files inside the program. Click Tools, Settings, Index Templates. Click the Edit button, to modify the selected index template. Click the Normal Words tab. Here, the font type selection box allows you to select a font, to use it in writing the normal words and the index, to a PDF file. If you'd like to use other fonts than the ones in the list, you can click on the Add More Fonts item. Such fonts could be downloaded from our website in zip files. The new feature is that you can now select any TrueType font files, that have TTF extension, to import them inside the program, and use them in writing the index to your book. That way you don't have to stick with the fonts that we only offer, but you can use your own fonts. We have now mentioned some of the features that were added to this new release. Those features are explained in details in the program help, which can be accessed online. Many other features and fixes were added, and you can check them all in the release log page, on our website. Please feel free to contact us if you have suggestions for our program. We value your ideas, and we truly consider your comments to create better new user-friendly releases. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.